Imagine planting a seed. Not just in the soil, but in the heart of a community. One simple act, a single tree, could change everything. This is the story of the little gardener. A story where the smallest of gestures can bloom into something far greater than we ever expected. At the heart of this story, a loss. A parent, gone too soon, leaving behind only memories, and one promise. One lonely child, grief-stricken but full of determination, plants a tree in honor of their lost parent. A gesture so small, but it marks the beginning of something much bigger than they could ever imagine. The first few years weren't easy. Like any new beginning, there was doubt. Was this little sapling really going to make it? The storms, the cold winters, the harsh winds, it was tough. But perseverance paid off. The child, now older, continued to care for the tree. Every drop of water, every touch, every moment of patience, it wasn't just about the tree. It was about honoring the memory, and a promise that grew stronger with every passing year. Then, one spring, the tree blossomed. It wasn't just a tree anymore. It was a living testament to love, loss, and the power of perseverance. What started as a solitary act grew into something far beyond the child's vision. The tree became a sanctuary. People from all walks of life came to sit beneath its shade, finding peace, inspiration, and strength in its roots. Here's the magic. This one act, this one small seed planted in honor of a loved one, became a ripple that touched the lives of everyone around it. It didn't stop with one tree. The community, inspired by the child's unwavering dedication, came together. They planted their own trees, creating a beautiful forest of memories, love, and resilience. Years later, the once lonely child now sees a thriving forest, full of life and color. But what's more powerful than the trees themselves? The truth that one small act, a single tree, can spark a change that affects an entire community. It's not just about the tree anymore. It's about the legacy, the way a small, simple gesture can grow into something that lasts far longer than we ever imagined. So, what's the takeaway? A tree doesn't just represent growth. It's a symbol of the power we all have to make a difference. In a world that often feels divided, remember this: small acts of love and care can turn into something much bigger than ourselves. What will you plant today? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stories that inspire change, one small act at a time. See you next time. One small act can change the world. What will you plant today?